We are on our way to the International Somali Awards, live from the red carpet, inshallah soon.
Yeah.
I can see you haven't got no ring up on your knuckle.
Yeah. So waxaan ku sii soconnaa maantana laga soo casuumay International Somali Awards ambaba habeenkii abaalmarinta caalamiga ah ee Soomaalida 2018 aniga cilmiwaana kan imikaanu ku sii soconnaa inshallah waan idinla soo socodsiin doonaa idinkuna way nala socon doontaan
baliday
wanaga soo gaarno waxaan soo duubaba cilmi kabahaaga macalaadharkaaga aniguna tooban maanta isku soo taagay iyo boorso yaroo raacaysa
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Muna, I'm a volunteer for the ISAs and welcome to the International Somali Awards.
Somali na ku sheeg soo kaqalay
Basho wanaagsan qof kasto ku soo dhawaada International Somali Awards sanadka
sanadka 2018
sanadka I try to stay away from this kind of stuff because I'm allergic to a lot of things.
Thank you very much. Halkan nalagu nafaqeynaya masha Allah nafaqadina waa laga siinaya let's go around ninkana dadkan dhex qaadi kolba cid baynu arkayno salaami
shacabka Soomaaliyeed wallahi horumarkiina waan gaadhay insha Allah way milaan it's worth it even coming to me. You guys have no idea. I'm going to come across as the biggest fan. I really don't care. I'm so excited to be honest.
Thank you so much for that. Wallahi, no, honestly, it means a lot. Wallahi, because you know when you do something and you're not sure about how people are going to perceive it. That's what it is. Everything I do, I'm thinking, is it something that people are going to be enjoying?
I watch your videos and then I rewatch it and then I rewatch it because I love the concept.
Thank you so much for your support. I don't know what you're doing. It's amazing. I know I've seen a lot of your videos.
Yeah, right.
Wallahi, I have wallahi, I come across it.
You have no idea.
I was such a seen so well.
No, I love your elegance, the way you somebody.
Here's your chance. I want to thank everyone that voted for me. Obviously, I love you guys, honestly. You guys are legends. Also, I want to thank my family. I got my dad in the room right there. Obviously, every other Somali parent will tell you, listen, it's uni or like you're not coming to the yard kind of thing. You know what I mean? But my dad obviously had faith in me. He said, yo, like, I'm gonna give you a year, go and try and do that and see what happens. And alhamdulillah, it worked out. So shout out to Abo, you're a legend, wallahi. Love you.
baliday
She don't want me no Gucci. She don't wanna see the new me. I feel my baby unruly. Yeah, she just wants me in a nice tracksuit. And if you give me, I can do.
cilmi rashiid iyo cusub rashiid oo labadoodu caanka ah dhanka youtuberka kana soo qayb galay munaasabadan xubinna ka noqday dadkii lagu casuumay famoska ka dhanka youtube walaala ah isla markaana waxaa media ka soo dhex muuqatay dhanka youtube-ka xiraalayaal badan soo badan dadkii aad ayay uga heleen dhalinyaro badan oo waxaa jirto asaagiina luuqadda Soomaali aan ku hadlin markaas maxaad kula talin lahayd marka hore cilmi
waxaan kula talin lahayd afkeen waa afkii hooyo dhaqankeena iyo afkeenu waa muhiim waa very vital inaan barano
saawa cilmiyaan waa muhiim munaasabooyinkan oo kale iminka soo waxay insaasoo kale loo sii badiyo oo sii muujiyo oo runtii la haysto lagu dhago dhaqankeena iyo afkeena ayaa muhiim wallahi
kasoo qaybgalka badan asaagiina oo ku sugan magaalada London ayaa daawanayso iyo daafaha caalamka hadda dhalinyaradaas kula talin lahayd marka hore aan
kula talin lahayd sida aad noo daawanaysaanad intii noo sii dooraysaaneed amaba noo taageeraysaan wada idinkuna insha Allah wax badan baad samayn kartaan af Soomaaligana annaga runtii hooyo aabba nagu soo barbaariyay waalid badan oo soo barbaariyay carruurtooda guriga ka bilaabantaa oo ka xishoonina ku faana ku hadla insha Allah marka hana iloobina
intii aan lahaa waa asbaat anna inta in la leeyahay insha Allah wasaasana balan
waayahay su'aasha ugu dambayso dhalinyarada adinkoo kale asaagiina wadamada galbeedka hore waxaa loo yaqaanaa say wallahi saddex hadal markay sheegaan ingiriiska ayaa ka soo baxayo ama qaarkood ma garanayaan luuqadii Soomaaliya laakiin adinku waxaa idinka muuqdo luuqadii Soomaaliyeed pure ina ku yaa idinku dhiirigelin inaad ku hadasho marka hore aan cilmi siin
هوية أبو أبي ماسين هوية فرصة أنا كذا فايدة ولا أبي ماسين شعب كيني عن رجينا إن أنا خسارنا أن وكاسمان تاكا أن كفاننا ونكوهنا.
Thank you very much. هوية أبو.
Baliday balidawo baliday balidawo hadadawo
We have a challenge for you know how we do for real.
I'm sorry.
For real? No,
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. All right, we'll skip that. Okay, cool. We'll cut that out. Okay. Should have briefed you.
Wow. Okay. waxaan wataa jaako hooyadii isoo gaday kabaha aabahayga iyo suraal oo guri kale Allah abili kaan aan ula noo shaan
badan dhantayde
studio shaan
okay
waxaan soo gashtay jaakadan oon ka soo iibsaday dukaanka la dhaho next xalan soo iibsaday saacad Soomaaliya ku socda shaar cadna soo iibsaday next oo nigteen kana soo iibsaday surwaalkan waa iska surwaal madow oo suudka la gashta oo aan ka soo gashay waxaan ka gashtay dabna soo gashay aan kaba madow oo la socda surwaalka madow so yeah
waxaan rabnahay yes السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
I'm here with Mukhtar Ali, sensational footballer, mashallah. Just wondering, can you explain to us what you're wearing?
Today I'm wearing Labiona Custom. Check them out. Exclusively tailored.
That's good. Shoes. I know the sports theme. We tried to do something there.
Yeah, it's something a bit different.
Yeah.
Alexandra McQueen's. Nice. Comfortable.
Really good. Okay. Can you explain what you're wearing to us in Somali? We have a challenge for you. You know how we do. For real.
I'm sorry.
For real? No.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. All right. We'll skip that. Okay, cool. We'll cut that out. Okay. Should have briefed you soon. Okay. All right. Moving on. Okay. So what were your highlights for tonight?
No, I enjoyed the whole night, to be honest. The main thing was all the awards and all the achievements was amazing to see. yeah, and the performance, I like the performance. The cherry was good, Lynn was good. Enjoyed everything.
Fantastic. And what advice would you give to young Somali people who either want to get in touch with their Somali side or who are aspiring to be like you?
For me, I'll just say for sports, you just got to work hard. That's the main thing. As a young person, you've got to sacrifice, work hard, listen to your coaches, and listen to your parents.
Fantastic. And have you ever been back home? Ever been to Somaliland, Somalia?
Yeah, I've been back to Somalia once. But I was very young. I have little memories of it. But inshallah, I hope to go back soon.
Thank you very much for having us. Speaking to us. Thank you. Alright, assalamu alaikum. Introduce yourself, please.
I go by the name of Mohammed Abdul Qadir Salat. I'm not hiding my government name. Prince Ali. That's what people refer to me as. Yeah.
Okay. Right, can you explain to us what you're wearing? Tell us
So today I'm wearing very, very basic, just a white blazer that Hoya got for me, trousers that Hoya got for me, and my dad's shoes. Wow! Okay, waxaan wataa jaako hooyadii soo gaday, kabaha aabahayga, iyo suraal oo guriga kale. Thank you very much. You look quite sensational too.
Thank you very much. I'm just wondering, what were the highlights tonight?
My highlight tonight, first of all, my main highlight was that Church one. That's like my brother, I've known him for a very long time, even before YouTube. So to see him come to this stage, win and pick up his award, that's my personal highlight. Sherry's performance was amazing as well. And also meeting all these lovely people, like I've met your brother, but I've never met you. Seeing all these like wonderful, talented people all in the same room doing what they do, it's a beautiful thing.
Honor to meet you too as well. Always like seeing each other.
Yeah, we're always about, you know what I'm saying?
Pretty people stuff, but yeah, no, it's really still on that. Yes, last thing. What would you advise young Somali people who are aspiring to be creative like yourselves and myself?
You're gonna hear a lot of people say there's bare YouTubers. It doesn't matter if it's what you want to do. If you want to be a makeup artist, whatever you want to do, just do it. You know what I'm trying to say? He wanted to play football. No one thought he would make it, and he made it. You know what I'm trying to say? When I started YouTube, everyone was like, "Oh, don't do YouTube, whatever." But like, I haven't made it yet, but it's going somewhere. You know what I'm trying to say? So just do what you want to do. If you enjoy it, do it. That's what matters.
I'm here with Zakaria. I'm going to introduce you. You're such an inspiration, and you're such a sensational individual.
Thank you.
Work you do, everything about you, mashallah. Zakaria, okay. Legendary, okay, would you please tell us what you look forward to the most tonight as your highlights?
Well, to be honest, I came from the first year, International Somali Awards, so I was there the first year, I was there the second year, and this year's the third year, and each year it just gets better and better and better. I'm not talking about the talent, because we've always had talent in Somalia, but I'm talking about the level of performances that we've got off at International Somali Awards. It's improved each year, and inshallah, hopefully it just carries on improving. And my highlight to us was how we highlighted the Somalis, that, you know, so many different Somalis are so inspiring. We see them every day, but we don't put them on a pedestal until something happens to them. So it's good to see that people are being put on a pedestal while they're still doing their thing.
Hey man, yeah. Come on, you know it is.
One more time.
One more time. Hey man, yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. So, how are you feeling first and foremost?
Gassed. I'm very happy with that. Like, obviously, the fact that these are hard work I've put in. And yeah, so I'm just excited and very happy. Just very happy now.
And what has been your highlight of the night tonight?
My speech probably, just because it's improvised. You know what I mean? I didn't write anything. I just literally said what came on my mind. And the fact that my dad and my sister were here just to watch me win the award is just priceless.
I'll tell you, your speech was amazing.
Yeah?
And everyone was proper cheering on.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
شعورتي ضربت الوصف كل القرآن ده في حسن المرنت أنا ولد جدا قوس ليش هذا المشروع يعني سلم ده مرنت المحل متى هذا قصة شغالة عمل كشكل دعوس ما أنا يرى صوماليين
wanted to go to say last but like I couldn't make it back in the place then. But alhamdulillah, I came here and when you guys probably babies were not born, I waxaan ahaa Ingiriiska markaan imi waxaan arki jiray Afrikaanka oo celebrations like this Samaina, yeah? So I hope one day my people can do, and it's so pleasure to see today.
Mashallah.
And to see so many winners as well, and I think they were all brilliant. And what you guys do is excellent, by the way. Thank you, lovely to meet you.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah, mashallah, keep it up there.
Introduce yourself one more time.
Hello, my name's Qarani.
And how are you feeling that performance was?
Yeah, definitely, yeah, man. Great performance. First time performing at the ISA, so happy to be here, definitely.
Fantastic. And what would you advise to young people?
Just keep grinding. Keep grinding. If you've got a dream, stick to it, you know, and just don't stop. Whatever you're doing. Shouts out to this girl, amazing.
Baliday, baliday, balidawo. Baliday, baliday, balidawo. Baliday, baliday.
Hello, how's it going there?
What accent was that?
خلي يجربوا لجونا واكي كرشم like this شراب كرشم what flavor? Oreo